If you are looking for a way to change background wallpaper on your Chromebook, then this video is for you. Here in this video, I'll show you two different methods to change background wallpaper on your Chromebook. So that's been said, let's get started. To change background wallpaper on Chromebook, by default we have Wallpaper application. To use it, simply right click on desktop. Here click on set wallpaper and style option. And here you will find your wallpaper application. Here simply click on wallpaper option. And here you will find different categories of wallpaper. Simply select the category you want. Inside the category list, you will find different wallpaper option. And simply select the wallpaper that you want to apply as a background on your Chromebook. As you can see here, background wallpaper has been changed on our Chromebook. If you want to change background wallpaper from the same category on daily basis, then you can simply click on Change Daily button. This will refresh your background wallpaper on daily basis from the same category. If you want to apply background image from Google Photos application, then you can simply select Google Photos option. Or else you can also set your own image by clicking on this My Images option. Let me show you another method to change background wallpaper on Chromebook. If you want to set your own images as a background wallpaper, then simply open File Application, navigate to the image folder, simply select the image, right click on it, and from the pop-up menu, simply select Set as Wallpaper. And this will change your background wallpaper on your Chromebook. So that's it. This is a quick tutorial on changing background wallpaper on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.